Diyos marainalda po mga tugang o nipuan sa tuyang math problem for today. This is a case of a multinomial divided by another multinomial. Igo po kitang multinomial x squared plus 5x minus 2 and gusto ta po ining i-divide by another multinomial x minus 1. So igo po kita ning trinomial divided by a binomial. Pag ang polynomial po igwaning 2 or more terms, ang apod sa iya is multinomial in general. So paano ta po ini i-divide? Gagamiton tamang po giraray ining law of exponent number 2 or ang quotient law of exponents, and igo pong magkapirang procedure para i-divide ini. Pwede pong gamitan ng long division or synthetic division. Sa video pong ini, gamitan niya to ng long division. So, ini pong numerator, ang magiging dividend, ini pong divisor, ining x minus 1. So, inot po, ining first term kang dividend, i-divide ta ka ining first term kang divisor. So, x squared divided by x, gagamitan niya to kang quotient of powers log exponent, copy the common base, and subtract their exponent. Ang exponent po is 1, so ang quotient po is x. Kung sabihin po kayo ni x raised to 1, ang 2 minus 1 is this 1. Then distribute this partial quotient to x minus 1 to get x squared minus x. So pig-distribute na po ini, then we are going to subtract. Pero instead po na mag-subtract kita, mas facile na mag-add na lang kita, pero sasaranglian ta ang mga signs kang subtrahend. Pag nasanglian ta po ang mga signs, magiging na siyang addition. So x squared plus negative x squared is 0. Hindi man po, 5x plus 1x is equal to 6x. Then we bring down minus 2. Then ini pong first term igdi, saka itong first term duman, i-divide ta po. 6x divided by x is positive 6. Then 6 times x is 6x, and 6 times negative 1 is negative 6. Then change the sign, proceed to addition. Magiging 0 po ini ta additive inverses, igdi negative 2 plus 6, that is positive 4. Then, mayo na pong pwedeng ibaba, yun na niyaan sa tuyang remainder, isusuratan na siya duman na plus 4 over kaining divisor x minus 1. So yan na po ang sa tuyang magiging simbag, which is, in this case, is letter A. Diyos mabalas po, hindi po giraray si Lando Assistant, taga Calabanga.